we live? We live.
We live now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me put this whole.
So let's title this. Edit.
What the hell?
Huh?
What the hell?
I have to edit the name of the thing. How do I call it?
What name?
Oh shit! It's turned off. I will
What
put
name you
like
talking about?
the name of the stream.
Oh, okay.
I had to figure it out on the spot.
The Curious Case.
We have to do it the DVD thing. Okay.
Okay. The
Programming the DVD logo with my non-programmer cousin. That's how you write
Yeah.
cousin.
yeah, I think it is.
Again.
I'm back at it again. Oh yeah, baby.
And again.
That's right.
Good enough.
Oh yeah.
Thanks. Programming. Dude, that's what happens when you have only one monitor. You have to do everything here.
Yeah. Now that I see, I think it would be more easy if you had the other.
Yeah. Okay, so how do I? Dude, such professional channel. You have no idea how professional I am. Okay,
Oh, I see.
we good, man. Oh, by the way,
Okay.
we have the image here, kind of fucky.
Matrix background.
Okay, now it's perfect.
Okay, we're ready.
All right, we're finally done. Dude, that was some rough setup, wasn't it?
One
Rough setup. Took
Okay.
some time. It's very hot,
Okay.
but we got it.
Okay,
And
we got it. I passed the same thing on you with that.
pretty
shit.
fucking hot. Pretty
Yeah,
fucking hot.
pretty fucking hot here. But
You
okay,
are
we
hot.
got it. We got it ready. That's the job from today. So we gonna start it.
Yeah, because we have to become code itself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to become cold like inside to get this outside. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm saying, but that's the feeling, man. That's the feeling.
For sure. So the objective today is for Gabriel that has never programmed before. Try to do the DVD logo.
Yeah.
Let's YouTube that shit. Everybody knows what the DVD logo is. I know, but
Okay.
boom.
The DVD logo.
Super simple, man. That's what we're gonna do
The
today.
people are seeing this now.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Fucking awesome, man. I'm new. I'm the new one in this technology and streamer shit. I don't know. I live in the caves.
Pretty cool, right?
Like the Batman.
Have the camera, have the microphone,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everybody
You have
can
all
see it.
here. It's. I don't know. The people can see this. No,
This?
right?
They can see from here to here, kinda. Yeah.
Oh, right,
It's
right.
very wide, the camera.
Yeah, but the I don't know, the ambience.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome here. Yeah,
Nice.
I'm feeling really comfortable to being here with my cousin kinda. And okay, we're gonna start.
So this is what we're gonna do today. Is the DVD logo.
Okay.
It's hopefully hits the middle anytime soon, but
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wait for that. We're gonna do it on P5 JavaScript. Do you know?
P5.
Yeah. Just so we can situate ourselves.
Okay.
What do you know of programming? Have you ever done anything related to that? Maths?
Math and shit.
Yeah.
Okay, I know that 2 and 2 Is 5, right?
Dude, that was close enough. Close enough. But there's no problem, dude. We're gonna get from the ground up.
You're gonna guide me in this journey from today, and okay, I'm open to learn about what you're gonna do. Okay, you tell me that shit is a little easy in the I don't know, the circle of the persons that do that.
It's more
technology
like you're
shit.
trying to forget that you can't do that.
Okay.
You can.
Yeah,
You just need some time, practice and everything.
Yeah,
So,
that's my first time actually, and you know that. So okay.
So we're good. We're gonna start with the web editor. By the way,
Okay.
Rodrigo is here. Thanks, Rodrigo, for being around, man. By the way, guys, something really important. I don't have my second monitor here, so we can only have this monitor and this monitor alone. So
that one.
Yes.
Okay.
This you can see where we changed the logo there. You see?
Yeah.
Going through time.
Dude, holy shit! That will keep doing this?
Yeah.
Like
we can do again. Boom, boom. So I only have one monitor, so we might not be able to look at chat so often, but we're going to try to focus on the programming thing. You're very hot, right?
Yeah, it's really hot here.
It's really hot. But man, we gotta be cold. We have to be cold, you know?
We have to be the cold.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Dude, there is a lot of stuff that I will just go over, and because it's not important for what we're going to do. So this is p5. It's a library that can draw things on the browser very quickly, very easily.
Okay.
It uses JavaScript, but that's not relevant. Okay, so the basic structure of the program in p5 is this: the setup and the draw. Setup is a function that the program will run one time. So when I click run here, let me turn this off. When I click run here, it will run this one time, and then this, it will keep running all the time. Okay, so if
when you click here, there.
Yeah, the program runs. Wait, what? Okay. Unexpected token, semicolon. But why though? Man, this is so loud. The keyboard is so loud on the microphone.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Can you explain me again, just a little quickly?
Yeah.
Okay, the setup shit, and the setup keep don't keep doing, but the background, yes, or the draw.
Yeah, I will explain in just a bit. It's just that it's behaving weird. Oh, there we go. I wrote something there. Okay, so when I do this, the program ran this function one time, and it created the canvas. You see this square here?
Yeah.
It's a structure that is built by this. It's where we can draw, where we can build games, where we can do a lot of stuff. So this just creates this structure that we will be able to use for whatever we want. Holy shit, it's very cold. Am I as sweaty as I think I am? Am I shining?
No, you're totally good, man.
Okay.
You're totally good.
So the create canvas creates this object, and the function draw here, it has this function called background that we can define the color of the background. So if I type 0 is total black, and I click run again, it uses that same object but paints the background as black because 0 is black. 255 is the maximum number.
And every number is a different color or what?
This function, it's. Do you remember from Maths what a function does?
Function. What function?
Just a general function. It's fine. A function basically takes. It's a machine.
It's a Okay, explain.
A function is a machine that takes something in and spits something out. So let's say I am the
right. It's like a vending machine.
Yeah, exactly. You take money and you return something else.
Yes.
And the programming of the vending machine tells, if he gives me this amount of money, I can give him this.
Okay.
So that's, dude, that was a freaking great analogy.
Thanks, man. Great explanation.
So what the function background does, what the vending machine background does, it takes a color and draws that color in the canvas that we created up there.
Okay.
And that's the
right. I think I got it.
But
I got it.
This is a very very special vending machine. P5. Remember that I said that we can draw really easily with P5. This is a very big convenience that we can give this background function, whatever. Oh, no. I thought that she was gonna scratch the thing. So this is a very special function because we can give one value and it will interpret that value from white to black. So 0 is black and 255 is completely white.
Right.
But we can give it, we can just...
Give me a 144.
144, okay. What you expect it will be? If 0 is black and 255 is white.
I think it will be kind of yellow or green.
Remember that we don't have a spectrum here. It's just from black to white.
From black to white.
I see what you mean, like the hue, right? You have a big bar with all the colors.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Yeah. In this case, for one number, it's not that bar. It's just from white to black. So 154 is gray. See?
I got it.
But if you want more complex colors, you can do 3 numbers instead of just 1. So that will be red, green, blue. So if I want something completely red, I can do 255. It's the max. 0, 0. So it's red. You see?
Holy shit, that's awesome, man.
What if I want it to be purple? What do I do?
You can do like, I don't know.
What color do I add?
255, cola 0. No, cola 1. Cola 1?
Let's go more simple. What color do I need to make purple?
Blue,
right? And the color I said is RGB, red, green, blue. Which is the number that increases the blue? Red, green, blue. This was red.
Green, blue. So in the case, blue is 2 or?
It's this last one, right? If we increase this one, it will become more purple.
Yeah.
Right? So let's put like...
So 0 color, yeah, okay.
Because I'm giving it the values for each color. How strong should the color be?
But I don't know how, I don't know what the numbers, how did you know that the numbers mean the, what color is what number?
It's the function. I don't know it by head. Remember that I said we have the Bible here?
Oh, the Bible! I forgot about the Bible.
If we go to background, I have this function here. It tells me exactly what it does.
Oh, we have all the codes.
Yeah.
Fucking awesome! It will be pretty easy, man. Okay.
It's very convenient, right?
Okay.
All right. So if we do 255, 0, 100, we get more blue, so it gets pink. If we put full 255, then it's it dropped on you. Cool.
Sorry about that.
No, it's very hot, so it was like, finally something cold. Cool. So we got purple. You see? Very. You understand? I need you to be comfortable with this part of functions and you giving something to the function.
I think my mind get okay. My mind got it.
Okay. So let's try to change these numbers are called arguments. Okay?
Arguments.
It's the arguments of the function.
Okay.
What parameters we give the function so they do different things.
Right.
So for example, no. Sorry, Frida. So in this other function that we have here, it creates the canvas, right?
Right.
We are giving it 400. That's the size of the canvas that we want. This is 400 pixels by 400 pixels.
Create canvas What is the translation that from what is create canvas? What is create canvas?
Criar quadro.
So that's the function of these uh, the that square.
Yeah, this is the result. The
Okay.
function creates this thing.
Okay, and the function draw is the color of the square.
The function draw is always painting this color.
Oh,
no.
right. I got it. Okay.
Okay, because
Okay.
if we draw something over the background
Mm-hmm.
and we draw the background again, it will cover it. So this is always drawing it. Even though it seems really still, every second it's drawing it 30 times.
Oh, right.
Crazy, right?
Crazy.
So
Holy shit.
what do you expect if I change this to like 800?
I think that
It will become bigger in one
Yeah,
direction?
bigger.
Yeah, boom.
maybe.
If we do it.
Yeah, that was thinking good.
So we will go back to this, but you understand now. Oh, shoot! You understand now that we have arguments and functions, and we can do it. This is the whole thing. In programming, it's all an art of abstracting, so you can make it more complex. So, if, for example, if I want to make the background color more complex, I want to change it over time. You understand?
Yeah.
If I want to change it over time and make it more complex, I have to make abstract the color.
What do you mean with abstract?
I cannot come here and write, I want 255, 0 to 55. Now I want 254, 0 to 54, and go down by hand. It's not abstract. It's very manual. So I make this into a variable, because I can say var is how I declare a variable, color equals, and I will say color. I will explain in just a bit, and I will, boom, and I will say that the background should be color. It's a p5 color, p5. Let's just go to the Bible,
Mm-hmm.
p5 color. Oh, typed it wrong. Color.
Okay.
Color.
B5.
So this is how we
Where
create the color. What?
is that one?
Yeah, I will explain in just a bit.
Right.
Oh, see. Okay, so it's a different color. Let me make it the same. Okay, so
So
what we did, remember that I said that we have to make this abstract. Okay?
Right.
We have to not write it all the time. So we take this value, that color value, and make a variable for it. Oh, hello. Can I put...
explain me. Sure.
Thanks. So this function, remember that we have the functions that take in arguments.
Yeah.
Okay, we have this function called color, and it takes the same arguments as the color here, but instead of painting something, it just creates an entity, creates a color object.
Okay.
That has all the informations that the library needs for a lot of stuff. So this function creates an object.
Mhm.
Okay.
An object.
Yeah, you just have to think it as a abstract.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Can be anything.
Yeah, an object is just how we refer to something. Okay, this
Right.
structure of data, it's called an object, but that's irrelevant
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
You just have to know that this creates an object with
Right.
this color. Okay, and
Right.
in maths we used equal to compare, right? We
Right.
say that 2 equals 1, and you say no, it's false.
Yeah.
But here in programming, 1 equals giving a value. So when we say let is how we declare a variable. So you're saying like, I want a variable and it's called C. Okay, this is just that. By the way, I will do this in another line, let C. So I'm just creating this variable here. Say, oh, I have a variable and it's called C. I didn't say anything about it.
Right.
And in this variable C, I want to put this object here, color, because in programming, one equal is giving the value. So if I say that
one equal, that is an equal.
this is an equal, yeah, equal sign.
No. Okay, okay, keep going.
Yeah, okay, because for example, if I say let 2 equal, equal 2, I'm saying that inside this variable 2, I'm going to keep this value here. I'm going to store that value inside this variable 2.
Okay.
Okay?
Right, okay.
The equal from maths, it's 2 equals. So now I'm asking, is 2 equal to 2? No, because I haven't given any value. This makes no sense, but this is how we compare values.
Okay.
We're going to do that in a bit, comparing values, okay?
Right.
Nice. So what we did here, declared a variable. Inside that variable, we inserted this object here, color, and we used that color to paint the background. It's
right.
pink. Cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now we can, let's say that I don't want it to be just one color. I want to change the color. Okay. So let's say that this last value is not 255. Let's say that I want to make that a variable. So I will call let red, the amount of red in there. So I will say that red equals 255. And I use that red here. It's the same thing, right? Because inside the red, I put the value 255 and use this inside here.
Right.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I can also, because I can
but
also...
okay, but how is your purple and where, where is the blue here?
The blue is this.
Yeah,
is this.
the blue is the zero, no, the blue is the 255.
Yes, this.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm not changing the amount of blue, just the red.
Okay.
Right. And I can change the, let's say that I want to change the red, but in draw, we run that all the time, remember? So I just want to say that red equals 255 one time. And,
Dude, that's really difficult.
That's, dude, when you don't understand something, let me know and we try to figure it out. We're just introducing. It's fine.
Yeah.
If we don't do anything, it's also fine. We just have to have fun. Do you want to drink
We're gonna have fun.
You want to drink a bit of wine before we go on?
No, I'm really good. I'll drink.
I want to drink it, by the way.
Okay, drink it. Okay, I will accompany you.
Cool. So let's see what this does. I declare the red only on the setup. Do you remember the difference between the setup and the draw?
Yeah, the draw keep going.
Yeah.
And the setup, no.
Yeah, it's only one.
Yeah. Once. Right.
If I run this, it's I use the says color we're expecting number for parameter 0. Oh, okay. There's a thing called scope.
Scope.
It's scope in Portuguese.
Okay.
A function can only touch the things that are inside that function. It's different realities, you know. So if I'm inside a function and I call another function, that function there, it's its own universe. It cannot touch the things inside the bigger function unless it's what we call a global function. Okay.
Oh, right.
So global functions exist in a higher state, and everybody can touch them. Okay. So sometimes when we want different functions to touch the same variable, we declare that variable as a global function. So remember that this was a declaration. I said I want a function and it's called C.
Right.
Okay. And we can do this, but instead of draw or instead of setup, I can do this out here, out of everything. I can say let red and now everybody has access to red. Remember that let was for declaring, saying I want something, I want this variable.
Yeah.
I don't need to use it anymore because it exists as this global variable, and it works again. See, because I declare what the program is doing.
Oh, we also have the callers to, to give name for this stuff. Let function, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And we have this background crawler that all
Yes.
have a meaning, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
because in another file,
the
I
purple, the purple numbers is for the callers. I got it.
cool.
Yeah, okay.
I will show you this really quickly, but
Okay.
don't consider that. It's not
Right.
important. This
Right.
is the index.html file. It's what links all the files. So
Right.
this is what we are working on, and this is 2 script files that are coming all the way in the wild of the internet and doing a lot of stuff. So all of this, I have this create function. Just give it 2 numbers and it will create a canvas for you. This is all here. We don't do anything because they do it all on these files. So that's why we don't have to worry about a lot of stuff.
Holy shit, that's
Yeah.
makes the things more easy.
Yeah. So that's why we don't have to run the setup. We don't have to run the draw. We just have to write whatever we want inside them. They are run somewhere else. That we don't care about it, right?
That's fucking awesome.
Yeah. Very convenient.
Yeah, very convenient.
So what our program is doing is declaring this variable red. Inside the setup, it creates a canvas of 400 by 400. It
Right.
gives red the value of 255.
Right.
And in the function draw, we have this variable c that has the color of the background. And this color uses the variable red here, okay, to define the amount of red.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let's say that instead of 255, I wanted to keep changing. Let's start it on 0, and every time that draw runs, we do red equals. Remember that just one equal is giving a value. Let's say that red is going
Giving
to be...
a value is like comparing.
No, it's inserting. So I have red.
Yeah, I
equals-
and then I have an answer.
No, you get no answer.
You
It's
have
just
no answer.
storing. So I have red is like a little
Okay,
box.
it's like putting a function. Like something
exactly.
like this. Okay.
A variable is a box that you
Right.
can put stuff on and
Okay.
carry that box around. So
Right.
in red, I want to put something in that's one equal sign.
Okay.
Comparing what you want to do, it's 2 equals.
Okay.
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 Cool. So inside of red,
Right,
I'm going to
right.
save red plus 1. Okay.
And what gonna happen if you after you do this, what gonna happen?
Yeah, let's think about it before we run. So every
Okay.
time that the function draw runs, I do this. I put inside the variable red, I have the box, and I'm
Mhm.
going to put inside that box the value that we had plus 1. So let's say that red is 2. I have red and it equals 2. And I want to put there 2 plus 1. So I'm going to put there 3. So every time that it runs, it's incrementing 1. Okay.
No, explain me again, please.
So let's say that red, it's going to be equal 1.
Okay.
Okay, so inside this box here, I'm going to store red, that we just said it is 1, plus 1. So red is going to be 2.
Okay.
When it runs again, inside red, I'm going to save the value red, that is equals 2, plus 1. So red is going to be 3. Next time it runs,
Red is gonna be
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
So every time it runs, it's going to save inside the variable the value of the variable plus 1.
Right.
So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So it just will keep increasing.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you expect to happen? Do you have any idea? Have any suspicions?
When you press the enter?
Yes.
Oh,
That's the mystery, baby.
That's the question. Okay, that will be the first time that you're gonna do this.
No, I know what's gonna happen.
No. I didn't mean this. That is the function that you're gonna do here now is the first one.
Yes, it's the first time it's going to be run.
Okay. So it will be a tree, right?
Yeah, but remember that draw always runs. So this incrementation of one, it's running all the time. Remember, 30 times per second. So red is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 30 in 1 second.
But how do I know what? I don't know. Can I?
Let's run and see what happens.
Yeah, I want to see what happens.
Boom. See that? What is going on there?
Yeah, the colors change.
Yeah, when we run again, it's blue and it becomes more purple with time.
Oh, that's the result, man.
Because we are increasing the number that red is.
Whoa!
What the
Changing
fuck?
all the time.
Yeah.
Changing all the time. That's the answer, dude. That's the answer. That math shit is really nice, man.
Yeah, and it's.
I was really bad in the school actually, by the way. So I don't know. I see that is good now. I always hated it since that I was a kid. Okay, keep going.
But math can be fun, kids.
Yeah, it can be fun if you are open to it with kind of classes. Fucking awesome.
Dude, so what were we talking about? Oh yeah, red.
Red.
So this is what I'll. Oh, by the way,
You try to explain me that okay, dude. I got something.
Cool. By the
Something
way,
cool. I got something cool.
you see that it stopped. It's not.
That is.
It's not changing anymore the color.
Yeah. You just once. You know.
No, it's still running. It's still drawing the background 30 times per second.
But I didn't saw it. I didn't see now.
Yeah, why it's not changing? You have any guesses?
I don't know, man. Maybe it's because we have to keep going
Remember that
since we finish it.
we have to keep going. Yeah, kind of. The red, remember what happened with the red with time?
What happened with the red one?
When time goes on. If I run again, what's happening with red?
Change.
Yeah, it's getting bigger, right?
Yeah, it's getting bigger.
Every
Yeah.
second is getting
Okay.
bigger. So right now, what is happening with red? When it stopped.
It's getting smaller.
No, it's still getting bigger. Nothing there tells red to be
Oh,
small.
it's always growing.
Yeah, red. We can see red. By the way, I will. There is a very.
That
very
doesn't even make sense.
no,
It's always
still
growing. It's always growing, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
We can actually see red. There is this.
Hostia puta.
Holy hell!
Joder, puta
Let me close
madre.
this.
Pero que coño con sus perros, joder.
We'll close it for a while. It's
Okay.
gonna be hot. I know,
Yeah,
but
holy shit.
so
I'm
there is.
freezing.
You have to think positively.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
So there is a very cool function called console.log that we can use to see to print down there any value that we need. So let's just see how red looks.
Okay.
We run that, and red is growing. You see, 129, 191, 300,
Okay.
400. You see,
Right.
it's always growing. But remember that I said that the max of this color is 255.
Right. Okay.
So if we
Yes.
put something above that, it doesn't go above. You see that it's only purple. It's the max that it can be.
Yeah.
So what we are doing, it's just increasing the value, and the color doesn't count. So what do you think we could do? You have any ideas? I don't know.
I don't know, man. Cause no, it's not that I don't know. But I mean,
What do you want to see? You want the color to
I want
go
to see.
up, down?
Yeah. That was what I'm thinking. I want to see this always changing. You know.
You want to go up and down, or up, boom, goes back down.
No, I think that my mind like things just up and down, up and down,
Up and down.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're making the value of red go up really big, right?
Yeah.
And for it to go down, we have to, instead of making it grow, make it smaller, right?
Yeah.
So instead of +1, we should do like -1, right?
Maybe.
Here, red equals red +1. We should maybe do red -1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
So let's do that. How do we think about that? What is the limit of red? 255, right?
Right.
So we have a magical thing called flow control. In programming, you can the program is flowing, and you can tell the program to just do something when something happens. It's
Right.
really convenient. So we are trying to see when the red value reaches the limit, right?
Okay.
So we can do for that we can do an if. By the way, I will open again since the dogs are gone.
Oh. Oh, thanks a lot.
Whoosh. So we have this structure called if, the C. So
Okay.
you say that we
Nice. Nice.
say that we say that if red is greater than 255.
Oh. Yeah. Put that shit.
See if
Let's see what
red
happens.
is greater than
It's
255.
it's if red is bigger or smaller than 255.
If red is bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
So. Okay. Keep going.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
So I will remember that the function took whatever we put inside here and did something.
Right.
The
Okay.
if, it's almost like that. Is a structure that we put.
It's like that things that you put here, like let, function, if. It's like suggestions, and
Yeah.
when you put the things in that shit, you do like yeah. The box of suggestions makes all sense now. Okay, that's cool. My mind is shining now. Okay,
Blazing through,
okay,
baby.
keep going. Okay, I think I.
Hey, my
Okay.
dudes, just got out of my Dark Souls journey. By the way,
Hey, what's
love
up?
the Matrix green suits.
What's up?
What's up, honey? Thanks. We are the cold boys.
Yeah, we are the cold boys.
Okay, so yes, we have to see when red reaches 255 because the
Yeah.
if is going to check whatever is between the parentheses.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Right.
only if it's true is going to do what's inside the curly brackets. Jesus, dude. Curly brackets.
Yeah, the weird word that makes you fair. All right.
I even forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
the condition. If the red is bigger than 255, let's log. Let's do console.log. Let's say as red as it gets. Maybe.
Baby, I like it.
So it takes some time. Then when it gets to purple, boom, as red as it gets, baby. You see?
No, put it again. Yeah. Okay.
It's growing. Nothing is written.
Okay.
When it gets to
let's
purple,
see.
boom, it writes it.
As red as it get, baby.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So you see that whenever the value is above
Right.
the 255, this always runs. It always writes this. It's not only one time because this runs all the time, and red is getting bigger. So this is
Getting bigger all the time.
Yeah. So this
Okay.
is going to always run.
Okay.
So let's say
Console is always run.
this here is always running. So that's why we are seeing that all the time there.
Okay. And if, what about with?
The if is
Yeah, the if.
is
Yeah.
what the condition. I'm saying that I want to do this only if this is true.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's say in here I just don't want to write stuff. I want to like invert how the color is changing, right?
Okay.
So you see that this is the direction that the color is going. Is always going up and 1 at a time. What do you think?
So if you put 0, you'll be down?
Let's see.
Okay.
If I put +0, it doesn't do anything. Why?
Because it doesn't have to.
It's not incrementing anything. So
Yeah,
the color is 0.
Yeah, that's
I'm
right.
adding 0, so nothing happens.
Yeah.
1, it goes up. But what do you think will happen when I put 2?
It's getting bigger.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's see.
it gets bigger, but way faster. You see? If I put
Yeah.
like 10,
Really faster.
you see? Because
Yeah.
every time I'm adding, instead of 1, I'm adding 10.
So that's the frequency.
Yeah.
Frequency. Okay.
It's not the frequency, it's the velocity.
Yeah, the velocity. Okay.
Actually, this is pretty good. Let's not just write 10. Remember, abstraction and complexity.
Yeah.
I want to make this velocity more complex because I don't want it to be just one velocity. I want to change it over time.
Okay.
So instead of just writing 10, I will again do a let. I want a variable called velocity.
Eu
I want
sou
to
a
be-
velocidade.
My name is Barry Allen. I'm the fastest man alive. So I want to have a variable called velocity, and I want that velocity to be equal 10. And I will put this velocity here.
Okay.
Okay, so
No. Okay.
if we run again, it again goes really fast.
Right.
Cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we are trying to do is when we reach 255, we want this velocity to go the other way around, right?
Right. Like okay. Now goes okay, goes up. Now we want to goes down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So instead of adding 10, we should subtract 10,
Right.
right? So since it's 10 here, we should just multiply the variable by -1, right? Because
-1.
because if you have 10 times -1, it's -10. Minus 10 times -1, it's 10. So it just two inverts.
Okay.
If it's 10, becomes -10. If it's -10, becomes 10.
Okay.
See? So
Let's see.
if variable is bigger than 255, let's just do velocity equals velocity the time the multiplication is this one -1. Okay, it didn't work. Why do you think it didn't work? Have any ideas? What is going on here? Huh.
I think that's because it's wrong.
Yeah,
A wrong
it's wrong.
one?
It's wrong. So anytime that we don't know what's going on, we just read the code. It says what's
Okay,
doing.
let's see, because the code is wrong.
Yeah,
But-
it's always doing what we tell it to do. So if
But-
it's wrong,
Okay, if every sentence of this is a suggestion for something, so where's the suggestion of this?
for this multiplication here,
Yeah.
I'm just operating with, I'm just doing maths with stuff that I already have. So I set velocity here. So this variable now exists inside this function.
Right.
And it's worth 10. So I can just say that I want to put in that variable, that same variable times -1. It's just like we did here. Remember red
Yeah.
equals red plus velocity?
Yeah, because you didn't put the let.
Yeah, because we already did
Why-
the
why-
red up here.
But why you didn't put the let here?
Because I already did it here.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Yeah.
So the variable exists wherever I scream this let here.
Okay.
I screamed
So,
let up
okay.
here for the red, so it exists everywhere. I
Okay.
said let over here for velocity, so it exists only in draw.
So let velocity from here, it's a result from what you're saying here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the problem is, let's just go through the program and see what it does. By the way, I would like you to do this eventually. Explain what's going on with the code.
Oh no! Oh, okay.
Dang it.
All good. All good. All good.
Guys, It's just like you think.
Hey,
it's
you guys
called
here?
parentheses.
What's up?
So, okay, the function draw, every time it runs, I say I want a variable c and I want a variable velocity that equal 10.
Right.
Okay, so, and I want that global variable called red to be incremented, to be added velocity. So every time it runs, I'm just putting that value velocity that I defined up there.
So what's gonna happen when you do this?
Remember that when this was equal 1, red was going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right.
Now it goes 0, 10, 20, 30. So it grows really fast. Grows faster, the faster the velocity.
Right.
You see?
Yeah.
So if we make the velocity inverted, is what we are doing here with the -1, it goes the other way around. So if it's -10, it goes to 55, to 45, to 35. So we're going down in the color.
Right.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay, so whenever we reach this, we're going to say that the velocity equals velocity -1. But the problem is that
that's to the velocity for what?
For the color change, for how fast the color changes.
Yeah.
But the problem is that we are saying velocity equals 1 up here, doing the operation with velocity, adding to the color, and only then we are changing the velocity here. So we already used the velocity, and then we change it. Doesn't make sense. So we have to take this function from here and put up here before we add into the red. You see? And if we try again, it changes. And then, does it change back? Why doesn't it change back?
Because you didn't put the code?
Yeah. That's always the right answer. That's the wrong code, dude.
Yeah.
Check your code, my guy.
Yeah, dude. Why you didn't check your code? Holy shit.
So the problem is that every time that I run the draw, I'm saying that velocity equals 1 again. And red is, if I only do this, if red is less than 255. Oh, by the way, let's just use, remember the console log? Dude, console log is like cheating. You can just look at all the variables. It's very convenient. I can see everything.
Okay.
Let's look at what red does. It increases, go up until 255, 256, 255, 256.
Let me see
it's
you.
just around there.
Can you do something to help me to learn a little better?
Yeah.
Can I tell you to do this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you please do the next step?
Okay.
Do the next step to me, because I want to see you doing. I want to see you doing and explaining at the same time, because I want more information to learn about this. Man.
For sure.
Okay,
I can do it.
Okay, sure.
So I will do how
okay,
I will think.
Okay, let's think now. How? What is the next step?
Sure. Okay, so the problem is that I want to, every time that draw runs, I'm just thinking out loud, okay? Every time that draw runs, I say that the velocity is 1, but I only change the velocity when the red is greater than 255.
Okay.
So if it's equal to 255...
So you only gonna change the velocity?
When red is greater than 255. So
okay.
This only runs...
So that's the next step after the red get the high?
Yes.
Okay.
It reaches 256. You see here? It's the first number greater than 255.
Right.
And then it runs this. So the velocity goes the other way around. It becomes 255, but it doesn't change from there. So I'm thinking, why? Because I have to change the velocity permanently. So the problem is that this variable exists here, but it should exist everywhere. So I can change it permanently. So I'll just say, I'll just say let velocity equals 1. Okay, so I'm saying that velocity equals 1 in that grade scheme of things outside of any function. And if red gets bigger than 255, I will permanently invert it. So let's see.
Right. So
See?
you're gonna be always up and down, up and down, up and down.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Let's do a very convenient console log here. I will say red and do a little arrow. And then we have the value of red.
Man, you're a fucking genius.
And I can do, oh no. I think nothing happened. Did something happen? What happened?
Hi.
Oh, it was this. You wanna
Something
sneeze?
gonna happen. Something gonna happen. No, it's good.
I was gonna try to defend myself from that sneeze.
Get out of here.
So, in the console log, we can do something called string concatenation. It's a very smart way to say just putting text together. So I can just put this text with this number here, and I'll say velocity. Oh no, little arrow.
What's that functions
Velocity.
again? Can you explain me?
This only writes to here, just for us to see things. It's not that important.
Right.
So it will just say red and the value of red, velocity and the value of velocity, so I can investigate. Okay, let's check it out. So it's saying red is rising and velocity equals 1.
Right.
Reach the top, velocity now equals -1, and the red is getting lower. You see? Now it's getting more negative, and it's not going up again.
Why?
Because we never set it to go up again.
Yeah, so we have to always set it to do this, or we can do something to that thing getting all in a cycle.
We just have to tell it when to do it. Okay, when to invert it. You know.
Okay.
So we have to.
So let's go with patience and let's do all the process like.
What?
What?
Yeah, for sure. The whole
for
process.
sure.
Dude.
Yeah. Whole process, man. Okay, yeah, that's what you're saying. That's what we're gonna do. Okay.
So we have to invert the velocity when red is greater than 250. Jesus Christ, huh? I can't speak.
55?
255.
Farofa?
When it's bigger than 255 or when it's smaller than 0, right? Because 0 is the limit here.
Okay. But
so I have this condition. It's already checking if red is greater than 255. I just have to tell it that it should also do this when is smaller than 0.
So what you're gonna do is yeah, I know that you had to give the directions to all that shit happened, but I don't know. I still don't know how to do this. I want you to show me.
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I will do that. Okay. So, I will check if the red is greater than 255, and I have this very nifty little symbol. It's this. Where is it? Come on. Yeah, here you go. Boom. This is a math for OR. I want red to be greater than 255, or I want red to be smaller than 0. So this will check for both cases, if it's above what I want or if it's below what I want. And if I run again, let's see what happens here. So red is rising. It gets to 255, goes the other way around.
And
0,
now
70. and it goes the other way around. It multiplies by -1 again. It goes up again.
Right.
It goes down again. See? Now we got it oscillating.
So we got here. Oh, a circle?
Yeah.
Dude,
It's more of
you only give instruction. That was pretty easy, man.
Yeah. It's just
I mean,
like a few lines of code. You see? It's just this.
Yeah.
And this actually, like all this, is just setting everything up. All of the color changing magic. By the way, we don't even need this. You know.
Okay.
I can just comment this out. Boom boom. Boom boom. Oh shit. It's just this.
Right.
That's the whole code to make the colors change. Cool, right?
Really cool, man. Really cool, man. By the way.
I did this
And
because I wanted to show of this putting things into variables and using the variables to change things over time.
Right.
You think that what on the code you don't really understand, or what is kind of, oh, I guess it works like that, but I'm not really sure.
Let me see here. Let me check. Okay. Right. They create canvas. The squad function draw to keep going. Let's see what that function do. I didn't remember.
C is when you say let, you are just saying that you want a box. Remember? C.
Okay.
It's the name of that
Yeah.
box.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. You're just saying I want a box, and it's called C.
Yeah.
And
The suggestion box. Okay. If okay.
By the way, I don't know
What? Sorry.
these boxes can only contain one value. Okay, so if I put another one, I'm overriding. So if it's 2 and I say C equals 3, now it's 3. It's not 2 anymore.
So you have to do another function.
If I want to keep that value, usually I don't.
Okay.
Okay, I want to just put value there.
Okay.
Cool. So there is no part that you get confused by, or
no. That's what I'm saying. I have things that I didn't learn yet.
Mm-hmm.
Not that I didn't learn, but I didn't understand yet.
Yes, yes.
So can you do the next step, like I don't know, like a tutorial to me?
I can.
Like doing and explaining, like the way you do, how you do.
For sure.
You're a great teacher, man. Really good. Really
I
good.
will. If I have already this variable that is changing, so I can just take this that is the red, and use it on other variables. Variable red goes from cool. Oh, I know, I have enough.
Okay.
I have this red going from 0 to 255, but I can also put that same red that is just a box. It doesn't necessarily is equal to red, and I can just say that the value of blue will also change with time. So I get this double color changing something, very different, right?
Yeah.
Because it goes from all black to all purple.
Yeah.
And I can do that with all 3 at once. Right. Boom. What will happen then? They're all the same. So since they're all the same, they're always gray. Okay, cool.
Right.
Now we can do the DVD thing. Let's see if we have some
Okay. The DVD.
Você era diferentão em escrever em português. So wild. Okay, so we still want this console logs for us to be able to see stuff, and now we have this create canvas that is able to draw this canvas, but I want to now draw something else, like a rectangle,
Mm-hmm.
or a square.
Okay.
Let's do a square. I don't know how to do a square, man. I really don't remember.
A square is Yeah.
This is a
Okay.
square.
A square. You
Yeah.
don't know how to do this?
Yeah, man, I don't remember how to do this.
Oh, I will show you. Yeah.
How?
I will tell you how to do this.
Okay, hit me
Okay.
up, dude.
Uh,
Four sides all propped up on each other.